Artificial intelligence is reshaping industries, driving innovation, and redefining the future of technology. Chandigarh University offers a comprehensive Master of Engineering program in artificial intelligence that empowers students with advanced knowledge and hands-on expertise to excel in the AI-driven world. Dive into a curriculum that integrates AI principles with practical applications, equipping you with the skills to shape the future of intelligent technology. Refine your technical acumen at the center of excellence and cutting-edge laboratories furnished with advanced tools and software. Leverage our industry collaborations and gain opportunities for experiential learning, helping you gain a competitive advantage. Develop research acumen as you work on progressive research projects and get research paper publication and patent filing support. Transform into a competent professional ready to take on high-impact roles across diverse industries. Drive the future of technology with intelligent and AI-driven innovations. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.